Police has joined with all of us. Can we all make some noise and put our hands together, everybody, for Shri Anjani Kumar, IPS, Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad City. We'd like to welcome him. It's a big day. We are going to be having a mime presentation on usage of helmet and sound pollution by Nisham, the wife of Commissioner of Police, to please join on stage. It's going to be an absolute... Please join on stage. Who's going to be receiving a memento on this very big day? They are the one... Alright, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, kids. You guys are lovely. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. So that तालियां हो जाए सारे बच्चे party के लिए. So much kids for joining in. Thank you so much, kids. Alright, thank you so much. Please join in our Commissioner of Police. Come on, everybody. This is a big moment for all of us. I want you all to put your hands together as we're going to be releasing the balloon. Okay, everybody. As you can see, this is India, and the colors of balloons are signifying India. So are you all ready, parents? Are you ready? Let's do this, everybody. 3. Everybody, come on, count along. 3, 2, 1. Happy Children's Day, everybody! Release it, everybody. Release it up in the air, everybody. Come on, everybody. Let's put our hands together. Come on, everybody. You all to please move downstairs. Come on, all the kids. Come on, jaldi, jaldi. Let's see who's going to go to your parents first.
Support the city police in ensuring that the traffic rules are followed properly. It is in our interest. It is in the interest of our family. Let us help them. Let us join them in this initiative. A very happy Children's Day to all of you.
Afra Bashir, Maheen, Mohammed Arif, and Mohammed Zohar. B. Kavita, C. Ratnasai, Masira, Maisha, Mohammed Shifat Ali. So all the kids are requested to please be around and join in after the certificate distribution.
డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ చుక్కపల్లి రమేష్ గారు, ఎల్ఎస్ చౌహాన్ గారు, ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో సహకరించిన పాల్గొన్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి నా వైపు నుంచి హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు, వందనాలు కోరుకుంటున్నాము. వాట్ ఏ లవ్లీ డే వీ హ్యావ్ అండ్ వాట్ ఏ లవ్లీ ఈవినింగ్. probably to draw the attention to the colossal waste of life, valuable precious life every year. Not only in this city, this beautiful city, but all across the country, there is a unnecessary waste of life and loss of precious lives due to traffic accidents. And as just now a wonderful skit has shown us, simple precautions, simple follow of the traffic rules can save lot of these valuable lives. Imagine when a teenager starts from home. What a great shock.
Everybody, first of all, I congratulate Hyderabad City Security Council, led by Secretary General Avinash and ably supported by the entire team, Piyush, Anandita, Rajshekhar, and all the team members, my colleague officers, Additional CP Law and Order Chauhan, DCP Traffic Chauhan, Vasundhara Madam, and all the dignitaries here. Nothing could have been a better day than to select Children's Day for this function, when on that beautiful tank bund we are having Sunday fun day, and at the same time, along with the entertainment and masti, some important message. Message not only to the children, but message to the parents, message to everyone, that fun and masti is absolutely fine, but not at the cost of life, not that at the cost of injury. And that is why when we have to take the city of Hyderabad to the next level of safety, security and happiness, then we have to ensure that the new generation is better than us, that the new generation follows more rules and regulations than what we do. The artist of Nizam called Nizam the very strong message that how it is important to follow traffic rule. I am sure if we are able to convey this message strongly, the purpose of this program is served. Before taking much of the time, I would greet each one of you, particularly the children. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy your life, have fun and be safe. Thank you. ఫేమస్ ట్యాంక్ బండ్లో చిల్డ్రన్ డే ఉపలక్షలో ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ జరిగింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో అవేర్నెస్ ఫర్ ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్, రోడ్ సేఫ్టీ గురించి నిజాం కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ద్వారా ఒక స్కిట్, ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేశారు అందరూ. మన హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి ట్రాఫిక్ ఫరిష్తే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఈరోజు 200 పైన ట్రాఫిక్ ఫరిష్తే కూడా వచ్చారు. అండ్ రివార్డ్ అండ్ రికగ్నిషన్ టు మోర్ దెన్ 50 చిల్డ్రన్ టు క్రియేట్ అవేర్నెస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అమంగ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్. ఈ సందర్భంలో హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్కి కొత్త సెక్రటరీ జనరల్ అవినాష్ గారు, తర్వాత ప్రత్యూష్ గారు, అనందిత గారు, రాజశేఖర్ గారు, గీతా గారు, అడిషనల్ సిపి ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ట్రాఫిక్ చౌహాన్ గారు, డీసీపీ కరుణాకర్ గారు, డీసీపీ చౌహాన్ గారు.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for joining in for the day. We also have stalls around you, so please enjoy on this day. We are having